Close your eyes for a second and think about this. It's only 10 a.m., but your body already feels like it's carrying a heavy weight. Your mind wants to do more, but your energy is running out fast. You grab another cup of coffee or something sweet, hoping it'll give you that lift. But within an hour, the crash hits again. Your energy slips lower, your mood dips, and everything feels slower. Now imagine this instead. One simple fruit. No caffeine, no sugar spikes, just steady, natural energy that carries you through your day without those frustrating drops. It exists, and most women walk right past it every single week. Today, you'll find out what it is and why it could change how your body feels every single day after 65. Top researchers from Harvard and the National Institute on Aging discovered something powerful. One simple fruit can help women over 65 maintain up to 40% more steady energy throughout the day. No energy crashes, no jitters, no mid-afternoon fog. This isn't a temporary fix. It supports your energy system at the cellular level, giving your body the fuel it actually needs. When your cells work better, your muscles feel stronger, your mind feels clear, and even simple things like walking or getting dressed become easier. Today, I'll reveal the fruit, explain exactly how it works inside your body, and show you how to use it every day without complicated diets or expensive supplements. This small daily habit can help you stay energized, independent, and confident in your body again. Have you noticed your mornings feel heavier than they used to? Do you get that sudden drop in energy right after lunch when it feels like your body is moving in slow motion? Do simple tasks like cooking, climbing stairs, or walking outside leave you tired faster than before? Have you ever said to yourself, "I just don't have the same energy anymore"? You're not alone. Many women over 65 experience the same thing, even when they're eating well and trying to stay active. But here's the truth most people don't hear. That energy isn't gone forever. Your body still knows how to create it. It just needs the right spark to turn it back on. Simple science and credibility. According to researchers at Harvard Medical School, fatigue in older adults often isn't about age itself. It's about how your cells use and produce energy. As we get older, the tiny power stations inside our cells, called mitochondria, slow down. The good news is, certain foods can reactivate those energy pathways. A 2024 study from the University of Copenhagen followed women over 65 and found that those who ate this specific fruit daily showed 33% better energy stability throughout the day compared to those who didn't. What makes this powerful is how natural it is. No supplements, no stimulants, just real food working with your body instead of against it. This is why doctors and nutrition experts are paying attention, because this fruit doesn't just mask fatigue, it helps rebuild your energy engine from the inside out. Before I reveal the fruit, I want to hear from you. How does fatigue show up in your day? Is it that afternoon slump, that sudden drop in energy right after lunch when it feels like your body is moving in slow motion? Do simple tasks like cooking, climbing stairs, or walking outside leave you tired faster than before? Have you ever said to yourself, "I just don't have the same energy anymore"? You are not alone. Many women over 65 experience the same thing, even when they're eating well and trying to stay active. But here's the truth most people don't hear. That energy isn't gone forever. Your body still knows how to create it. It just needs the right spark to turn it back on. Key fruit reveal. The fruit we're talking about is bananas. Simple, affordable, and available almost everywhere. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Bananas are one of the most powerful natural energy foods for women over 65. Here's why. Bananas provide a steady release of glucose, which is your body's primary fuel. Unlike sugary snacks, their natural fiber slows down the absorption, so your energy stays stable for hours. That's why athletes often use them as a clean energy source before training. But it gets even better. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals that play a big role in how your muscles contract and your heart pumps blood. Low levels of these minerals can lead to weakness, fatigue, or even leg cramps. One medium banana gives you a natural boost without the crash. They also support gut health, which directly affects energy levels. A healthy gut helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, so the energy you eat actually reaches your cells. This is why a small daily habit like eating a banana can create a noticeable shift in how your body feels day to day. Here's what happens when you eat a banana. Within about 20 minutes, your body starts converting its natural carbohydrates into steady energy. The fiber in the banana slows this process, so instead of a spike and crash like caffeine or sugar, you get a smooth, even rise in energy that can last for hours. The potassium supports your heart's electrical signals, helping your heartbeat stay steady and your blood circulate efficiently. Good circulation means more oxygen reaches your brain, muscles, and organs. That's why many women say they feel lighter and more alert after eating a banana.
Magnesium in bananas helps your muscles relax and recover, reducing that heavy, tired feeling in your legs. And the natural prebiotics in bananas feed your good gut bacteria, which improves digestion and energy conversion. This isn't just a boost, it's a full support system for your energy from the inside out. Your heart, muscles, and brain work more efficiently when they're fueled steadily, not in bursts. Energy versus stimulants. This is where the difference between real energy and fake energy becomes clear. When you rely on stimulants like coffee, sugar, or energy drinks, you get a fast jolt, but that jolt is borrowed energy. Your body burns through it quickly, leaving you more tired than before. That's why the afternoon crash feels so hard. Bananas don't work like that. They don't give you a jolt. They give your body steady fuel. Your energy rises gently, stays steady, and fades naturally without a crash. Think of it this way. Coffee wakes you up, but it doesn't feed your cells. Sugar gives you a burst, but it doesn't support your muscles or your heart. Bananas fuel your heart, muscles, and brain at the same time. That's why women who make this simple daily swap often notice they feel more alert in the morning, steadier in the afternoon, and less wiped out at night. Real energy doesn't shout. It stays with you quietly all day. How to add it to your day. You don't need to overhaul your routine to feel the difference. Just one banana a day can give your body the fuel it's been missing. The key is to fit it into your schedule in a way that feels natural. A ripe banana in the morning with breakfast gives you a clean energy start. If you feel that midday slump after lunch, half a banana can carry you through the afternoon without needing caffeine. You can also slice it over oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or pair it with a spoon of nut butter for extra staying power. If chewing or digestion is a concern, blending the banana makes it easier on your stomach. If you're active, eating it 20 to 30 minutes before a walk or workout gives your muscles the energy they need to perform better. You don't need to overthink it. One small, simple habit repeated daily can create a real difference in how strong and energized your day feels. Timing and best practices. When it comes to bananas, timing makes a difference. Eating one earlier in the day can help set a stable energy foundation, which means less fatigue creeping in later. A banana with breakfast is ideal. It fuels your muscles, supports your brain, and gives your heart what it needs to keep your energy steady through the morning. If you often crash after lunch, eating half a banana before that slump hits can smooth out your energy curve. It works better as a steady fuel than as a rescue fix. For those who walk or exercise, having a banana 20 to 30 minutes beforehand gives your muscles immediate access to potassium and natural sugars. Choose ripe but not overripe bananas. That sweet spot gives you the best balance between fiber and glucose. Pairing the banana with protein or healthy fats like yogurt or nuts can help your energy last even longer. Keep it simple, consistent, and timed to match when your body needs the support most. A little planning turns one fruit into your best daily energy tool. Risk frame.
This is the part many people overlook. Low energy isn't just a small inconvenience. It slowly steals your strength, your motivation, and your confidence. Fatigue doesn't stay the same over time. It builds. Many women over 65 accept tiredness as a normal part of aging, but it isn't. When your body runs on empty, day after day, your heart worked harder, your muscles weaken, and your brain gets less oxygen. This can affect balance, memory, and even your mood. Here's the good news. Energy loss isn't a one-way street. You can turn it around. Giving your body the right fuel doesn't just help you feel more awake. It protects your mobility, your focus, and your independence. A banana might seem small, but consistent daily fuel is what keeps your energy curve steady. And steady energy isn't just about feeling good, it's about staying strong enough to live life on your own terms. Energy fruit allies. Bananas are powerful on their own, but they work better when paired with other energy-supporting fruits. Each one adds something different to your body's fuel system. Berries are a great example. Blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries deliver antioxidants that protect your cells from the stress that drains your energy over time. Pairing berries with a banana gives you both quick energy and long-term support for your heart and brain. Apples bring a steady release of energy thanks to their natural fiber. They're great for women who want to avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes. A banana for fast fuel, an apple for steady energy, and your afternoon slump may disappear altogether. Oranges add hydration. Many people feel tired because they're mildly dehydrated without even realizing it. The natural water content and vitamin C in citrus fruits support energy production at the cellular level. You don't need to eat a mountain of fruit. A smart combination of one banana plus one supporting fruit each day can be enough to keep your energy more stable, your mood brighter, and your strength more reliable. Safety notes and interactions. Even something as natural as fruit should be used smartly, especially after 65. Bananas are safe for most women, but there are a few things worth keeping in mind.
If you're managing diabetes or blood sugar issues, portion size matters. One medium banana has natural sugars, so it's best to pair it with protein or fiber to slow the sugar release. This helps avoid spikes and dips that can leave you more tired later. If you're taking blood pressure medication or have kidney concerns, talk with your doctor first. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is good for most people, but in some cases, too much potassium can be a problem. Timing also matters if you take morning medications. Give at least 30 minutes between your pills and your banana to avoid any interference with absorption. And if you're prone to bloating, choose bananas that are ripe but not overly soft. They're easier to digest and less likely to cause discomfort. The goal isn't to avoid bananas. It's to make sure they work with your body, not against it. A little awareness can help you get all the energy benefits without any surprises. Personalization tips. One size never fits all, especially after 65. The way your body processes energy can be very different from someone else's, so personalizing how you eat your banana makes a real difference. If your mornings feel sluggish, the best time for your banana is right after breakfast. It gives your muscles and brain a steady lift. If you tend to fade in the afternoon, that's your moment. A half banana between lunch and dinner can keep your energy stable without relying on caffeine or sweets. Some women feel best with the banana as a snack before a walk or light exercise. The natural potassium helps with endurance, and the sugar gives quick energy without a crash. Others prefer blending it into a smoothie with yogurt or nut butter to make it more filling and balanced. If your digestion is sensitive, mashed or blended bananas may be easier than whole pieces. And if you're managing your wheat or blood sugar, half a banana might be plenty. The key is to match it to your body's rhythm, not just follow a single rule. Start small. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust until it feels just right for your energy needs. 7-Day Fruit Energy Plan. Think of this as a simple, realistic 7-day plan to help your body stay energized without relying on caffeine or sugary snacks. Each day builds a steady rhythm of energy support. Day 1 and 2. Start your morning with half a banana alongside your regular breakfast. Pair it with yogurt, eggs, or oatmeal to keep your energy stable.
This helps your body adjust to a slow and steady fuel source. Day 3 and 4. Add an afternoon banana snack around 3 or 4 p.m. This is when most women over 65 hit their energy dip. A single banana here can give your brain and muscles just enough boost to stay active through the evening. Day 5. Pair your banana with one ally fruit like an apple or a handful of berries. This combo gives you quick energy and steady release, especially if you have a busy day planned. Day 6. Try adding your banana before a walk or light workout. This helps your muscles use energy more efficiently and supports better stamina. Others prefer blending it into a smoothie with protein and fiber. This gives you an all-in-one energy meal that lasts for hours. It's not about strict rules, it's about building a daily pattern your body can rely on. Over just 1 week, many women notice more stable energy, fewer crashes, and a clearer mind. 1-minute energy action checklist. Here's a quick daily checklist you can follow to keep your energy high without feeling overwhelmed. Eat 1 banana a day at the time your energy usually drops. Pair it with protein or fiber to keep blood sugar stable. Add 1 supporting fruit like apple, berries, or orange for a balanced boost. Drink a full glass of water with it to stay hydrated. Keep your portion in check if you manage blood sugar or kidney health. Notice how your body responds and adjust timing if needed. Be consistent for at least 7 days to feel the difference. Small daily steps like this create steady energy that lasts through the day. No caffeine rush, no crash, just your body working the way it should. Reframing aging. Fatigue after 65 is not a sign that your best years are behind you. It's often a signal that your body needs better fuel, not more rest. Real energy doesn't come from a pill or another cup of coffee. It comes from nourishing your body in ways that work with your age, not against it. Your body can still adapt. Your cells still respond, and your energy can absolutely improve. Many women your age have felt sluggish for years, only to discover how a few smart habits can bring back the spark they thought was gone for good. Food isn't just about calories. It's your body's daily instruction manual. By feeding it the right way, you're not just fighting fatigue, you're strengthening your heart, your brain, and your independence. Energy after 65 is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters wisely. You still have power to shape how you feel every single day. If this spoke to you, don't let it end here. This isn't just a video. It's a small step toward feeling more alive every day. If you want to keep your energy strong and steady, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. This way you'll never miss practical tips designed for women over 65. Share your story in the comments. Tell us when your energy drops during the day and how you plan to use this fruit to change that. Your experience might help another woman feel less alone and more hopeful. We're building a community of women who want to stay active, strong, and independent. Every comment, every like here matters. So join in. You belong here. Energy after 65 isn't luck. It's a choice. A daily, steady choice to give your body what it truly needs. One simple fruit can help you reclaim your strength, focus, and confidence to live your day fully. You don't need complicated plans. You need consistent care. So start tomorrow with 1 small step. Eat smart, move gently, stay hydrated, and remember, your energy is still within your control. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.